Hello YouTube friends, this is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. Welcome back to my channel. I have a quick little update here as to my little sticker paper clips that we were doing in my last video. I continued making some and I realized after we hung up last time, after I said goodbye, I had the idea of fussy cutting around the sticker. So like, say if you wanted to fussy cut around this one, you could do that. I like the tag on this one, so I'm leaving it. But we did this one on camera and had I think we did this one, or I don't know, I think I did these two actually after camera last time. And I was like, you know what? I could just cut around. I use an index card on this one. Cut around, and then you have the shape, more of the shape of your sticker, and it's still a paper clip. So super cute. I thought it was worth coming back to share that, and I'll show you how I did it. I mean, it's probably pretty self-explanatory, but look how cute. Here's the teacup, and let me just get it over the paper. So cute. So if you want, we'll just do one real quick. So this is a super quick video, but let me see if there's one that's more involved as far as cutting. How about, well, we can do another coffee one, or we could do this a tea time one here. It's not as, but let's just do a, since it's a little bit more cutting, let's just do a teacup. That involves the most cutting except for this coffee one here. So let's maybe, I don't know, we could probably do two, but I did a yellow index card in back of these because I thought the yellow looked good in back of these multicolored, and there's some yellow in them. So let's just do this one first. We'll go ahead and just do this coffee one. That involves a good bit of fussy cutting. So I'm putting it on like that, and then, so let me just put this over to the side. This one doesn't have the little raised sticker on the back. I realized that too after the camera when I said, why didn't I realize that before? It's because this one doesn't have the little raised sticky part on the back of these. It's just a flat sticker on the back. And then so what we're doing is on this longer one, we're using a big paper clip. And I have some, if you've ever compared old and new paper clips, they are different. I think this is an old one. And so I'm trying to decide which one to use here. It doesn't really matter. Why don't I go ahead and use this old one? No, let's use the new one. I think this new one's a little slipperier. So it will go on and off a page probably easier. So what we were doing is the big part of the paper clip, the loop goes on the back where you're going to put it on the page, and then the smaller loop goes on the front. Then we put some glue, Fabri-Tac on here. And if you watched the last video, you will know that, you know, from that what I was doing. But also I realized, you know, instead of trying to measure and figure out where the sticker's going to go, I mean, it's pretty obvious, and you were probably saying it to me on my last video, but just put glue on the sticker, and then you'll have glue just where you want it. You know what I mean? So I'm putting it on the outline of the sticker here, more in the middle where the paper clip's going to go. And I can kind of spread it around the edges better. So just a new and improved version of my last little video of things I discovered since then. And what I did actually on this one, because I was looking at it, figuring out where it was going to go, and this little tip I just cut off because it was just easier that way. So I cut it kind of like right even with a little puff of steam here. Just cut that little tip off so we don't have to worry about that. No big deal. And now it's stuck on my finger. Okay. So then we put our sticker down, got our glue. Let me get it to the edge a little bit more here. just want to make sure all the edges are covered. There we go. Now I think we've got it. So I'm going to put it down. I make sure there's enough around my paper clip too, even though we have it on the sticker. Since it's in the middle, I don't think it's going to ooze out. So then we just see where we cut off that tip. I can put it right even with the top edge here. I'm not worried about that little tip. And then the paper clip doesn't really show. I've got a little bit of glue oozing out right there. So now at this point, I want to make sure that I want to try to make sure my paper clip's in the middle here. And push it all down. So I have two pairs of scissors here now. I have these, but then when I was fussy cutting these little stickers out, I got these little scissors out. So these were easier to cut with. So what I ended up doing was just cutting around. And the paper clip's way up here and the sticker goes down a little bit, so I don't have to worry about hitting the, and you can leave a little border or just do it however you want to do it, play it by ear, but I don't have to worry about hitting the paper clip. And then over here, I just kind of just did a little outline around the image. And you get the idea here. Just kind of do the best you can with your fussy cutting without getting too crazy about it. You know, the idea is you want the backing, but you want your little shape of your little whatever your sticker is. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you can see it's not hard, just takes a few minutes to get it cut out. But I just thought it turned out so cute, I wanted to share it because I just thought of it. Now here I'm running into the paper clips. I'm going to go beside the paper clip and just go up to the top. And my little steam there. And then go on the other side of the steam, leave a little edge. And you can just cut it out and then come back and, you know, just trim wherever if you miss something, you know, without, you know, don't make yourself crazy trying to cut it out like right up against the sticker. You don't have to, because that's why I picked this yellow. So if I have a little edging that I want to leave on there, it looks pretty. Okay, so there's that one. We're gonna let it dry. It's still drying, but there's that one. So you've got a sticker, the shape of your sticker. I mean, a paper clip to use the shape of your sticker. So that one's drying. We'll do one more real quick here. The teacup. Let's see if I have a piece big enough now. Let me get another index card here because I love this yellow behind these little stickers. So here's our sticker we're going to use. We're going to use a little paper clip on this one. And so now I don't have to worry about, you know, cutting it exactly the shape I want it. I'm just going to cut a square out here. I just want to make sure it's wide enough for my teacup. And then do it either way. I don't have to worry about a straight line because I'm going to be cutting it out, but I do have to worry about putting this in the middle of the teacup. So we're going to go like this. Let me see how I did it before. Okay, make sure I have the little part in the front, big part in the back, like that. Make sure I have it in the middle. Okay, yeah, that looks like it's in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on the paper clip, around the paper clip, and then on this sticker. So we have it on the edges. Kind of smearing it around there onto the edges. And then this one. Okay, so put that down onto our paper clip. We'll get it in the middle. Wipe off our glue, excess glue. Let's see, got a little extra here coming down. Okay, I'm going to cut him out, cut out this little guy. Trying to leave a little border here, but run into my paper clip now. Okay, and then I'll run this side. Trying to look and see how I did it before. I kind of just went around the edge here. Let me turn it around so I can see. Cut this off. Use your best fussy cutting techniques, but don't get crazy about it. Okay, and then we're going to cut some here. So you're supposed to turn your paper instead of your scissors on circles and curves. So I'm trying to do that, but I'm also running into my paper clips. So let me see. I've got to go down and around my paper clip a little bit. See how that turns out. Okay. Now, I think that's good, cute. I'm trying to see what I did on the other one. I left a little bit more paper on the bottom of this one, and the paper clip sticks out on the bottom a little bit, which it's fine. See the paper on the bottom right here? I left a little bit more, and the paper clip is showing right there. On this one, I can cut that off. I left the paper over, but I think I might actually cut it off because I really don't like that sticking out right there. So let's go ahead and cut that off like I did on the other one. And then it'll look all nice and even, and everybody knows it's a paper clip, so I don't think it matters if it shows on the bottom a little bit. I mean, you've got a cute little teacup here, a cute little teacup paper clip. So we'll smush it all together and let it dry. But that's basically the idea I wanted to share, is just fussy cutting out those stickers. Once you get it glued down and your paper clip on there, then you have a little shape. So here's like the ones that we fussy cut. Super cute. And let's see, I think I had one drawing over here. Oops. These. And then here's the other ones that we did, some of the other ones that were not fussy cut before on the last video. This one, this little clock, and the lamp. See, those are more rectangle or circle, although you can cut closer, like I said, if you wanted to cut this into a square, that would be awesome also and look great. So, and then there's the ones we just did. So just another little idea to share, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.